Here's a detailed breakdown of foods that help repair and protect the retina, including how they work, what nutrients they contain, and how they support eye health. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collards. Key nutrients: lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, beta-carotene. How they help. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that accumulate in the macular, central retina area. They filter harmful blue light and act as antioxidants, protecting retinal cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin C helps strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and fights free radicals. Tip: eat them lightly steamed to improve nutrient absorption. 2. Carrots and sweet potatoes. Key nutrient: beta-carotene, provitamin A. How they help. Vitamin A is essential for the photoreceptor cells in the retina, especially rods, which are responsible for night vision. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness and retinal damage. Tip: pair with healthy fats, like olive oil, for better absorption. 3. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna. Key nutrients: omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, vitamin D. How they help. DHA is a major structural fat in the retina, necessary for photoreceptor function. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the retina. May help with retinal disorders like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and diabetic retinopathy. Tip: aim for 2 servings per week. 4. Eggs. Key nutrients: lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, zinc. How they help. Egg yolks are highly bioavailable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Zinc aids in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina and supports the pigment-producing cells in the eye. Tip: eat whole eggs, don't skip the yolk. 5. Blueberries, blackberries, and bilberries. Key nutrients: anthocyanins, vitamin C, vitamin K. How they help. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that protect retinal cells and improve blood flow to the retina. Studies show they may enhance night vision and reduce retinal inflammation. Tip: grate as snacks or added to smoothies. 6. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia, flax seeds. Key nutrients: vitamin E, omega-3s, zinc. How they help. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals that can damage retinal tissue. Omega-3s and zinc improve the structure and function of the retina. Tip: a handful a day can support long-term eye health. 7. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Key nutrient: vitamin C. How they help. Vitamin C maintains the health of capillaries in the retina. It also enhances the effectiveness of other antioxidants, like vitamin E and lutein. Tip: fresh juice or whole fruit is best. Avoid added sugar. 8. Bell peppers, red, yellow, green. Key nutrients: vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, beta-carotene. How they help. These colorful veggies offer a mix of carotenoids that shield retinal cells from light damage. They are also good for collagen production in the eyes. Tip: eat raw or lightly sautéed for maximum benefits. 9. Avocados. Key nutrients: lutein, zeaxanthin, healthy fats, vitamin E. How they help. Support antioxidant absorption and protect the retina from oxidative stress. Promote nerve health, which supports the optic nerve connected to the retina. Tip: add to salads or spread on whole grain toast. 10. Tomatoes. Key nutrients: lycopene, vitamin C, beta-carotene. How they help. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant found in the retina that may prevent retinal degeneration. It also helps reduce damage from light exposure. Tip: cooked tomatoes, like in sauces, offer more bioavailable lycopene.